Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Oxygen Builder for streamlined UX layout creation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have access to Oxygen Builder on your WordPress site. Log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Oxygen menu on the left sidebar. Click on Templates to create a new template for your project. Select Add New to start a new template. Choose a name for your template that reflects its purpose. Set the conditions for where this template will be applied. For example, select Entire Site to make it the default template. Now, click Edit with Oxygen to open the Oxygen Builder interface. Begin by selecting a base layout from the library, or start with a blank slate. Use the plus button to add sections, headers, and other elements. Customize each element by using the Settings panel on the left. Adjust the layout settings to achieve a streamlined user experience. Incorporate global styles to maintain consistency across the layout. Use the responsive preview mode to ensure your design looks great on all devices. Fine-tune every element and section for optimal performance. Once satisfied with your setup, click Save to preserve your changes. Preview your design to ensure everything functions as intended. Finally, publish the template to apply it to your site. Congratulations, you have successfully created a streamlined UX layout using Oxygen Builder. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.